Tapos ay
as you explore Arlen's blog, let the gentle melodies flow. Soft piano tunes drift where thoughts freely go. Acoustic guitar whispers stories untold.
ayan guys. Pag nag-slice tayo,
Creating a serene
huwag natin tapon yung
harmonious fold.
yung itim.
Strings of a violin,
Kasi yun ang
wistful embrace. In a
pang
soft, chilling rhythm,
sarap yan.
find your own
Pag may itim. Masarap yung tinta guys. Tiyan, tiyan.
woven into words where memories sleep. With each note a journey and inspiration. On Arlen's channel, dreams and visions pursue. So let the music guide you calm and warm as the blog unveils its
Yan
story.
ang sekreto dyan guys. Yung
Strings of a
tinta. Huwag mo itapon sa loob. Kasi masarap
in a
yan.
soft, chilling rhythm, find your own pace. The subtle hum of
Wala.
a cello grounding in deep.
Tinta
Into
po.
words where memories sleep.
Sarap nito guys. I will show you how to cook this. Sobrang lambot nito na pusit guys. Ayan.
The subtle hum of a cello grounding in deep. Woven into words where
Ayan siya guys. Lagyan natin ng sili. Isang sili lang. Isang sili lang guys. Kasi baka magnganga tayo sa anghang. Yung isang buong sili. Lagay natin diyan. Abay, maanghang iyan. Uy, ayoko maghawak. Dito. Natin dito sa
as you explore
Diyan.
Arlen's blog, let the gentle
dini.
melodies
O,
flow.
diba?
Soft
So, time to
piano
cook na guys.
drift
Tingnan mo
where
guys.
thoughts
Paano
freely
magluto
go.
ng pusit. Ayan yung ating pusit.
Acoustic guitar
Iwa ko
whispers
ng
stories untold.
bawang at sibuyas.
Creating a serene
Let's go! So,
a
ayan.
harmonious fold.
Lagyan natin ng mantika guys.
Strings of a violin,
Mantika.
wistful
Ang
embrace.
ganit lang.
In a soft, chilling rhythm, find your own.
Buksan ang exhaust fan.
The subtle hum of a cello
Tingnan
grounding
natin. Kasi yan, mainit na.
woven into words
So, lagyan natin
where
yung bawang.
memories sleep. With each note a journey and inspiration. On Arlen's channel, dreams and visions pursue. So let the
Tapos, lagyan natin ng suka. Konting suka. Ayan. At lagyan natin ng bay leaves. Ayan, bay leaves. Dalawang bay leaves ang lagay ko guys para mabango. And then, lagyan natin ng asukal. At ito na. Asukal. Lagyan natin ng asukal guys. Here. Baka sabihin nyo, wala pang asin yan. Pero,
Acoustic guitar whispers stories untold, creating a serene background. Harmonies
seasoning.
strings of a violin and wistful embrace. In a soft, chilling rhythm, find your own place.
Then, umikas-mikas
Subtle
natin.
hum of a cello grounding and deep, woven into words.
Hindi na kami naglalagay ng toyo. Yung iba kasi, sabi nila, lagyan pa daw ng toyo. Sabi ko, sa amin, hindi na kami maglalagay ng toyo.
On
Ganun lang
Arlen's
kami
channel,
magluto.
dreams and visions
Ano
pursue.
ba?
So let the
Super
music
lambot itong
guide you
ating kaset.
as the blog unveils its stories. Violent
Magtubig pa yan siya kasi.
strings of a
Sabaw pa yan siya. Hindi ko na siya lagyan ng sabaw, siyempre.
in a soft
Kasi magsabaw pa yan siya.
rhythm, find your own
Diba? So, yan.
subtle hum
Takpan natin.
grounding and deep,
Takpan muna natin.
woven into words.
So, ayan siya guys. Takpan na natin. O, diba may sabaw siya guys. Sabi ko sa inyo, sa sabaw niya, diba? So, yung sabaw na yan guys, patuyuin natin yan guys. Parang lumapot siya ba?
The subtle hum of a cello grounding and deep.
So, tikpan ko muna guys. This is sa lasa. Parang sinukat yung timpla guys. Matamis-tamis. Na maanghang. Na may konting alat. Konti yung alat niya kasi marami yung asukal na dito. Pwede lang siya
As you
papakain mo.
explore Arlen's blog, let the gentle melodies flow.
Gamit ko pagluto na kasi
Soft piano tunes drift where thoughts freely go.
diba?
Acoustic guitar
Laki lang
whispers
yung guys.
stories untold, creating a
malambot lang siya.
serene backdrop.
Malambot. Malambot
Harmonies
lang ito. Ating kasi.
strings of a
Bumangon si Lola, instead na tapos na siyang kumain. Kasi merong ulam na binukinuan ng kanya. Na pinakain mo sa kanya. Chinese. Pero nirevise ko para masarap. Naubos ni Lola. So, ngayon, nakikiramdam siya kasi nabangga na ba? Nabanguhan.
with each note journey and inspiration.
Wait lang natin na matuyo yung ating
On Arlen's channel, dreams and visions
sarap yung
pursue.
medyo tuyo sa guys.
So let the
Ayan,
music
ating
guide you
adobong puset. Sarap.
as the blog unveils
So, ayan
its
siya guys. Tuyo na yung ating
violent
sabaw. So, ayan.
strings of a
Hanggang dito na. Naluto na. today.
The subtle hum of a cello rolling deep. Woven
Hanggang
into
hapon. Ulang.
memories.
Patakin ko na lang yun ko. Sarap. Sarap talaga. Kita mo yan? Hanggang dito na lang guys. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.
The subtle
And see you on my next video. Bye everyone.